So far I've added about 2 tablespoons of oil, and when I first added it, the oil was clearly separated from our mustard like this. That's why I added it either in a slow stream or at 1 tablespoon at a time, and the more I stir, the more the two will blend together. All right, once these two are together, I want to have a nice liquid here. We're going to take a bit of a red onion. We'll cut that end off, then we'll cut it in half. The reason why we're doing that is that we can very easily move our outer layer of skin. We'll discard these, so we're using red instead of white. We're using that not only for the flavor, but also the color. We'll dump that in. We'll take some basil. And we'll add that as well.